I'm going to take you guys through a very simple shifting technique. Obviously, shifting gears is a very important part of riding a motorcycle, but this is just your first lesson. I've dedicated an entire section to shifting gears and proper gear usage, but just so we can get the basics at this point, I'm going to go ahead and teach you the very basics of shifting gears. So I'm just rolling down the road at a normal speed here. Then when the RPMs get high enough to where I need to utilize a higher gear, what I'll need to do is pull in the clutch all the way to the grip. I'll release the throttle with my right hand, and then I'll click up on the shifter with my left toe. I then give it about 1/8 of a turn of the throttle and ease the clutch out in a very controlled manner. You don't have to let it out as slow as if you were taking off in first gear, because your wheels are rolling and the bike is in motion, so it's more of a fluid motion when you let the clutch out, not like when you're taking off from a standstill. I'm now coming to a stop, so I'll pull in the clutch. I'm using my front and rear brake to stop myself at this point. Now I'm going to downshift a couple times since I'm in third gear, so I'll go into second and then into first. Again, this whole time I'm braking in a very controlled manner. I'm using the front and rear brake while holding in the clutch. Now I've been showing you guys slow motion videos just so you can see exactly my motions with my hands and with my feet, but I'm going to show you how it takes place in normal speed. Shifting gears is actually very fast. You can see me pulling the clutch, letting off the throttle, switching gears and re-engaging the throttle and letting out the clutch in a very fast, fluid manner.